Hi Divination, this is Aless Design, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up your checkout page. As you can see, by default this is how your checkout page looks like, and to make it like with the demo website, click here, the Enable Visual Builder, or find it here and edit it. It will load up. So use existing content and wait the page to load up. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. While you wait, you can click here, go to the plus button, your saved layouts, and find the checkout page layout, which is here. Click on it. Let it upload, and you have to delete what you don't need, and now you have the checkout like the demo website. Click Save and exit the Visual Builder. Your checkout page is ready. Thank you Divination, stay tuned to our next tutorial.